Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into House World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into House World. And I know you probably heard already, if you haven't, Samsung had the developers conference, and I'm telling you, this one was like no other. I got a lot of information out of it. It was about an hour and 40 minutes long, and Samsung talked about a lot of different things, and they're going to be opening up the door to the developers to do some things that they wouldn't normally do. Now we got three areas that we're going to focus on. We're going to start off with number one, and yes, number one, people, is Bixby. Some of you all probably don't want to hear about this, but yes, Samsung would not let this die a natural death. They're trying to keep Bixby alive. Now, we all know that Bixby has been a hit or miss since its conception, and it has not worked good for me thus far. Sometimes it'll do what it needs to do, and then in most cases it won't. Sometimes it don't hear you when it needs to hear you, and sometimes it hear you when it doesn't need to hear you. But Bixby has been a mess since it was born. Now Samsung is saying that they're going to be adding it to new devices. They got more languages coming along, and they're also opening up the door to the developers to be able to do whatever it is they need to do to get Bixby off the ground, which means that they're going to be giving them the tools that they use to do the things that they do with the developers. They're giving it to third parties now. So I'm looking forward to that. So if they send an update, yes, I'm willing to give Samsung a shot. I'm Team Samsung all day long. So I'm looking forward to the update, Samsung. Send it. Now, there's one thing that I'm really looking forward to, and that's the media control that they talked about, which means that you're going to be able to control Netflix. They're talking about Spotify, Hulu, HBO, and that, yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new TV in order to do that because I have an older model. But that's maybe one of the main things about Bixby that I'm looking forward to, and what the developers are going to be bringing about so far as the new experience with Bixby. So Samsung, again, send the update. I will check it out. Okay, you all, looks like we're about to get a refresh. Android P is on the way. Samsung talked about a lot. They showed quite a bit of the refresh that we're about to get with this new UI that they're calling One UI. And I'm telling you, people, I like it. I like the look. I like the design. I like the noise that Samsung is bringing with this one. A full refresh, and the user experience is about to get a lot greater, a lot easier to use. This is one of the things that I'm looking forward to seeing, and we will be getting an update in January. They didn't say exactly what the date is going to be. We're also getting a beta update too as well that you got to sign up for. They didn't say the date for that one, but I will be looking for that one every single day until I get it. And when I get it, I will bring you the review. Now, they also talked about dark mode. They're bringing dark mode to the Samsung devices. I'm looking forward to that. And we don't have to wait for a new phone in order to get these updates. It is coming to the Galaxy S9, the S9 Plus, and the Galaxy Note 9, which I have. Now, the countries that it's coming to is going to be Germany, it's going to be US, and it's also going to be Korea. So those countries will get this update first as well. Look forward to it, people. Samsung is doing something different. They're bringing about a new experience with their devices, and it's something that I'm really, really excited about. And this is probably just a taste of what we're going to get. I don't think Samsung put everything out there. So this is something to look forward to in the upcoming months, people. So I will keep you posted. When I get the news, you get the news. Okay, you all, last but not least, the most exciting news of the whole conference had to be about the foldable display that Samsung showed. Now, I didn't know this was coming, but when I watched the conference, I'm telling you, I got really excited about it because I am into the foldable display. I am looking to buy one, and it does look like something that I want. I'm glad it is not the trifold. What they're showing is a foldable display. Now, if you look at this real good, it actually looks like the Yone prototype that they showed way back, if I got the date right, in 2014 when they first showed their ability to bring about a foldable display. It looks exactly like that. Now, the final design is probably going to look a little bit different than that, but for what we see right now, it looks good. Now, it's got a good look when it's open, when it's closed, and they do have this in case, so they are hiding the design, but you do get an idea as to what it's going to look like in this mode. And when it's open and unfolds, it's going to unfold into a 7.1-inch display, people. This thing looks beautiful. Again, it reminds me of the Yone prototype through and through. Now, Samsung and Google are partnering up with this smartphone also to bring about a great experience, a seamless experience. It's going to bring about better resolution. And I'm telling you, it's going to be an awesome device. If it's going to cost $2,000, then $2,000 is what I'm going to have to say, people. Now, they also bring about what they're calling multi-active app, right? So what that means is simply going to be able to open 3 apps at the same time. I use things like that. I'm always having my calendar open. I'm in my bank account. I can use this type of technology in my pocket. My question is, at the end of the day, people, what is the plan going to cost for this? Is it, because we're already paying $41 for the Galaxy Note 9. Could it be $60? Could it be $75? What is the price going to be monthly for a smartphone like this if you don't buy it outright? All right, you all. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you change your mind about buying a foldable display after seeing what you just got through seeing. Or are you not going to buy it and you still think that it's a waste of money? Me, I think it's all about preference. If you want a foldable display, get one, because I'm getting it. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.